ka East-West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kinong ilam bat khot ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya hak Lang ki MLA jongka kataw ba Sanbor Sulai MLA ka South Shillong Badeiru Menteri ka Sarkar MDU2 uba ALH MLA ka Penthor Kra hak no phaisngi Saudrik Jumang Arjar Penriu Kilemi Surok Hakmat ka office Trekam ka party ban lekmen halo ka Jingjop ka party nak election MLA hak Chala Assam bat khamtam West Bengal kilong kami kani ka party kila Samru iki Jhalmuri ujat jingba mo bala pau ba kilat thai khobor hadien bau Narendra Modi Menteri ba Karin Diaw la bam hapdeng ka jingya yalap election jongu West Bengal hakbala kantho da ka All India Trinamool Congress bakadei ka drama Modi shushu kinong ilam ka party kilakdo ba ka election MLA Arjar Pupra Meghalaya ru anlam hakmat da ka BJP ya ka sarkar bat pentep baswa ka te election bungut ke MLA bat MDC kinwan penyaso halor ka jingkran bakandon ka jing ya ka BJP Meghalaya namar ka dei bak nong song snong kidei ki Khristan kinong ilam ka party kilaong ba ki Khristan Assam bat West Bengal ki vote ya ka party kumta kanum don jing Meghalaya.
Narendra Modi ka jingjok, jingjok ka jingjok. Narendra Modi ji ka jingjok, jingjok ka jingjok. Narendra Modi ka jingjok, jingjok ka jingjok. Sailor Hek and Baksan Porshulai ka jingjok, jingjok ka jingjok. Bail Hek and Sir and Bahek and Baksan ka jingjok. BJP, BJP. BJP, BJP. BJP, BJP. Hello, long live BJP. Jhalmuri khao. BJP, Zindabad, Zindabad. BJP, Zindabad, Zindabad. Puducherry BJP, Zindabad, Zindabad.
Assam with the thumping margin, West Bengal also with a thumping margin, and also Puducherry with a thumping margin. We congratulate our Nabin Nitin, the national president of BJP, and also we congratulate our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and also Amit Shah and all the leaders of the BJP and particularly our party Karyakata, but work very hard to ensure the victory of BJP in all the states. This time I think it will be a BJP will be clean sweep for this by-election, MP by-election. With the trend is going on, everybody, people are supporting the BJP. I have no problem on all this time, and BJP will win for this upcoming by-election, MP by-election in Meghalaya.
It's a concern. Wherever we travel, especially in the rural area, all the people, especially our brother from the Christian community, in 2028, they will vote 100% for BJP.
Yeah, and friends, I have just come from Bengal after campaigning there. So this time we are really proud to say that majority of the Christian, though the number is very negligible, they have voted in favor of BJP.
Correct.
And the constituency where I had gone to campaign, Amta, it's in Howrah district. So our candidate is also from Zenji, is the general secretary of the Juba Morcha. So he has also won.
Particular, I think you're referring to that lady from Assam near Guwahati. See, the thing is, even she may be a Gen Z also, but people what they want. They want to ensure that Assam continues to be ruled by BJP. Probably if she had contested from BJP, she would have won. So it's not. I mean, Gen Z aside, but the thing is, ultimately, people want a stable government. And who can deliver a stable government except the BJP? You see, even if it's Christian majority also, but ultimately people want development. Okay, people want to see their children employed. People want to see their family members. Now what's happening is that even whatever qualifications you have, also, it's either you leave the state or you should be happy with whatever meager wages that you get. I mean, people ultimately what they want development in the state, and for that development. I mean, it's ample. It's very clear that it's only BJP can bring that kind of development. Just take an example of Assam. Okay, I think so. This after 10 years of BJP rule in Assam, other states it's always an anti-incumbency. Here, what we find in Assam is a pro-incumbency. It does not happen. You see what has happened in Tamil Nadu, anti-incumbency, right? But Assam earlier we are our vote share, our number of seats have increased now. So you see that is the ideology of BJP. Once you have a BJP government, that is what happens. Other parties become insignificant.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.